Lynch syndrome, also known as hereditary non-polyposis colorectal cancer, or HNPCC, is an inherited predisposition to cancer. One of the most significant signs of Lynch syndrome is colon cancer under the age of 50. We have 2 copies of every gene, including the genes that can cause Lynch syndrome. One of each copy comes from mom, and one of each copy comes from dad. And their job is actually to protect us from developing cancer. So when one of these copies has a mutation in it, it can increase the chance of developing colon cancer and a handful of other Lynch syndrome-related cancers. These mutations can occur in men and women and can increase the risk for cancer in both men and in women. Risks are varying between which gene might be causing the cancer in your family. There are 5 genes that can cause Lynch syndrome, and each of them has their own inherited cancer-related risks. But in general, when you have Lynch syndrome, the chance of developing colon cancer might be as high as 81%. The chance of developing uterine cancer might be as high as 71%. Ovarian cancer chance might be 12%, and stomach cancer chances might be about 13%. It can also affect other parts of our body, including our kidneys, urinary tract, biliary tract, small bowel, brain, and pancreas. People who inherit a mutation that results in Lynch syndrome have a 50% chance to pass their mutations on to their children. This is why it can be important to talk with your family about having genetic testing and genetic counseling. We share these genes with our family members, and knowing that you have a mutation in them can be very important for your family members.